Now we finally get to do something interesting. In this session, I will show you how to define, create, modify, access, and destroy a struct, which is basically a self-defined data structure. We divided this into 4 sections, and in first section, we'll talk about how to define a structure. Well, first you need to know that structure could only be defined within a module. So we have created a module here called structure1. And now we could create a structure with the keyword struct. Okay, to name a structure, the first letter needs to be capitalized. So assume that we have a structure for student with capital S. So in a structure, we could define fields, which start with a field name, and then column, and followed by the type of the field. Okay, according to Movebook, we could have up to 65,535 fields within one structure, separated with comma. Okay, well, for student, the structure should have some information. Let's have an ID, which is a U64 type, a Boolean type to specify whether the student's active, and a score, which is U8 or U64, whatever you want, this type. Don't forget the comma. Okay. All these are primitives, right? The Boolean, the U8, U64. But also we could do something else. Let's create a new structure. Notice that within one module, we could have multiple structures. So now let's have another one called struct class. Remember, with capital C. And here we can have some fields. We can set a size, which is U8 structure, and we can assume that this class has 3 students. So the student 1, its type is student, student 2. Okay, I'll just copy paste it. Okay, so each of them is a student type. So in a structure other than primitive types, we could also use other structures. This is very powerful. Okay, the only thing you need to pay attention is that recursive definition is not allowed here. So you cannot create a field in class that's of class type. Okay, that's basically all you need to know in the first video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.